welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. If you're new, welcome. I hope you will enjoy watching my video, my other videos, and maybe consider subscribing to my channel. Today's video is part of the challenge hosted by my two friends, great, amazingly talented YouTubers. First one is Heidi Sonboul. I'm sure many of you know who she is. She is a queen of DIYs, and this is her channel where she posts her DIY projects. She also has another channel that is called Heidi Sonboul Home, where she posts a lot of cleaning videos, a lot of home renovation videos. I'm sure you guys gonna find great inspiration going over to her channel. And another lady hosting this challenge is Corey from Desert DIY. Her channel is full of thrifting, DIY, motherhood lifestyle videos. Definitely go ahead and check her out. They decided that the name of this challenge and the theme of this challenge will be Ugly Duckling. What that means is that we should go ahead and find some thrifted item that in the state that it is, we wouldn't put it in our home. So we need to get it and make something nice out of that piece of decor. So I actually found a perfect piece that I've created into something that I wanted to have for a long time. So I'm super happy with the way it turned out, and I hope you guys will enjoy it as well. There will be, as always, playlist in the description box, so don't forget to go ahead and check it out after watching my video. I will also have Heidi's and Corey's channels linked in the description box, so don't forget to give them a visit and say hi to them, show them some love. They are amazing. You will not regret it. Let's go ahead and let's get started. Okay, so this is the project I'll be working on for this video. I found this tray at the garage sale. I think it was last fall. It was a $2 tray. I actually like the bone of this tray. It is so sturdy, such a good quality. But I absolutely did not care about this duck on it. And funny enough, this challenge is called Ugly Duckling. I mean, how appropriate that is. So I decided I'm gonna redo this tray and make something that I always wanted to have. So the first thing I'm doing is cleaning this and wiping it off with wet cloth really good. Then I'm gonna go over with one coat of Rust-Oleum chalk paint in a linen white color. After this first coat was dry, I'm using these two craft paints. One was granite gray and the other one was just the brown color. And I'm starting to distress this tray. I really didn't have a particular pattern to go with. I just started with the brown, dry brushing it all around. And then I really wasn't happy with the way it turned out. So I started going over with the granite gray, not too thick of a layer. I wanted that brown to be coming through, and as you can see, it did come through a little bit but not enough. So I went over again with the brown color, and I decided to dry brush it again on top and distressed it even more. This project actually showed me that it is okay to make a mistake. It is okay to redo things and just play around with colors until you're happy with it. Next, I'm using Beverly chalk paint in a color mineral, and I'm going around in some spots of the tray that I thought it needed some different color. So basically, this is going to be a very weathered look. I wanted to add a dimension using different colors. And at the end, I am really happy the way it turned out. It is very unique. Now I took this letter K, it is the first letter of our last name. I actually purchased this after a Christmas clearance at Target. It was only 10 cents, and I'm tracing it over. And now I'm using Beverly chalk paint in a color truffle. I wanted to water it down to look like a stain, and I'm just filling out the letter K.
I had to do it a couple of times to achieve the color that I really wanted. And even when it's all over, I wasn't completely happy. So I dry brushed it with the white color on top, a little bit of white with a little bit of that gray color. And now I was happy with it. Now I wanted to add something on the side of it around the letter K. So I went with leaves. I just used my pencil and I draw it. And now I'm using Beverly chalk paint in the color celery, and I am coloring these leaves. If you are not already part of my channel, I would love to have you. If you're coming from this playlist, welcome. I make a lot of DIYs. I really enjoy doing them. So I hope you will find something interesting and something that you would like on my channel. Click that subscribe button and the notification bell on so you get notified every time I upload my new video. Next, using a little bit of darker craft green paint, I decided to just add a little texture to these leaves, making a little line on the top of the leaves. And after that, I decided to use a white color to put in the middle of the leaves, again, to add some dimension. And I really, really think that brought up these leaves and made them look even better. And now when everything was dried, I'm just using the same brush that had leftover paint on it and going over the whole tray, leaves and letter. Then I was sanding it a little bit. I didn't show that. And after that, I'm using the polyurethane water-based to go over the entire tray to make sure it is protected, and because I'm going to be using it every day. And that's it, guys. My project is completely done. I can use it either as a piece of decor in my kitchen, leaned on a backsplash. I think it looks absolutely perfect. I can also use it on my ottoman as a tray or on my table as a tray. I am very, very excited how this turned out. I always wanted to have something like this, especially with the first letter of our last name. And I really, really, really hope you guys like it the way I do.
That is it for today's video. Hope you liked it, hope you enjoyed, and hope you got some inspiration to maybe go ahead and find some item that doesn't look necessarily nice when you see it, but you can create something amazing out of it. Thank you, Heidi and Corey, for hosting this challenge. I had so much fun participating in it. Don't forget to go ahead and check out their channels and also the playlist. There will be linked in the description box down below. And enjoy the rest of your day. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye, guys.